Ready to crush your next presentation? Let's dive in. Presenting data insights can be a game changer, but only if done right. Here's how to nail it every time. First, know your audience. Tailor your message to what they care about most. Next, keep it simple. Focus on key takeaways, not every single detail. Remember, less is more. Use visuals wisely. Graphs and charts should enhance your story, not confuse it. Make them clear and impactful. Practice makes perfect. Rehearse your presentation, get feedback, and refine your delivery. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. And finally, engage your audience. Ask questions, invite discussion, and make it interactive. It's not just about showing data, it's about telling a story. Join our live sessions to gain essential skills for showcasing analytics projects. Learn to present data insights like a pro. You've got this.